TVs. So this stand can accommodate any television from 14 inches to 32 inches. This is how the stand looks like. These are the screws that you get with the stand for installation and for setting up this stand. So this is what you get inside the package of this stand. So you can use these screws to set this up. So these are the three parts that you get in this package. So you just have to fix them all together to put your television on this and to put this stand on the wall. This is basically a wall mount. So this stand can bear any television of up to 25 kgs.